Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the grilled squid with the blueberry jam in Heartopia. So in this new event called Avails event, in here you can cook any new special food, and one of them is this grilled squid with blueberry jam. And then to cook this food, first you just need to unlock the recipe, and to unlock this recipe is very easy. First just go to your tidal stove. You must have this stove to cook this recipe, and then after that just open your stove, and then next just choose this grilled squid with fruit jam recipe, the original recipe. You can get it from NPC Massimo, you can buy it from him. And then after that just complete all the ingredients. You need the Japanese flying squid, you can fish it at the whale sea. And then in here you need Seagrapes and Wakame. And then for the fruit jam, you can just replace it with the blueberry jam like this. And then after that just simply tap start cooking. And okay, like this, just like that, you will successfully unlock this grilled squid with blueberry jam like this. And the recipe will be added to your collections. This one. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.